Gina with WTI. I want to tell you about my favorite nut to snack on, and that's raw cashews. These ones from I'm a Nut are really quality, good tasting cashews. I've really had to pace myself so I don't eat the whole bag in the matter of a couple of days because they're full flavored and buttery and they just taste so yummy. Sometimes when you get nuts, they'll be stale or rancid tasting. These taste so fresh. I love that they're grown without chemicals and are non-GMO, and they're perfect for use in recipes in addition to just snacking on. So we like to make fake cheese with cashew nuts. I put it on my chickpea noodles. I also love to sprinkle these whole cashews just on my salad and eat it. It gives me a nice crunch and a little extra protein. And one of my favorite ways to use it in a recipe is to make my own cashew milk and cashew creamer. It's so rich and creamy. It's the perfect addition to my tea or coffee. These cashews are my go-to when I need to just grab something quickly. I'll put them in a baggie with some dates or raisins, and they're such a good snack to satisfy my hunger and deal with my blood sugar issues. I'm so pleased with these cashews from I'm a Nut. I know there's many health benefits that go with eating cashews, but you want them to taste good, and these ones do. I highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.